Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. Today's episode 2, the Everyday Shave, the Merkur 23C. This is one of Merkur's most popular safety razors. This is either number 1 or number 2. I think they go neck and neck between this one, the 23C, and the 34C. So you can see the 23C, longer, thinner handle, 34C, little short handle, a little bit thicker. If you prefer the long handle, this will be the razor for you. It's brass frame with chrome plating, and you can see the head is a nice gleaming chrome. Then there's a smooth band up at the top, checkered knurling, a smooth band here that reads Merkur, Solingen, Germany, which is where the razor is manufactured. And then there's a couple of bands here, and then at the bottom, there's a hole on the bottom, in the bottom I should say. This checkered knurling makes it very easy to grip. The specs on the Merkur 23C, it weighs in at 2.2 ounces or 62 grams. Overall length from top to bottom is 4.25 inches or 108 millimeters. It's a 3-piece razor. Just unscrew the handle, separate the top cap from the safety bar. There's a look at both. Since it's a Merkur razor, we will use a Merkur blade right there. Let's remove it from the paper. That's what it looks like. Just drop that right in over the post and the 2 pins, and it reads Merkur Super, made in Germany. Reassemble the handle. Let's mix up a lather. We'll go with Taub's Sandalwood Shaving Cream, Taylor of Old Bond Street. Remove the cap. Here's our Shave Nation bowl right here. It's ceramic, so we'll warm it under the hot water so it warms up a bit and retains that heat. Got my little scooper spoon right here, shaving cream scoop spoon. Just scoop out about that much. It's just a thin amount. Drop it right down into the bottom, like so. Let's take our brush. This is a Simpson's Chubby 2 Badger brush. Really dense, thick, tight knot. Let's warm it up under the hot water. Shake out some of that water. Let's go right in the bowl. Mix a lather. Just pushing the tips down into the bottom, into that lather spot. Lather starts building, coming up around the edges. A little bit water on the brush. The more you swirl, the thicker the lather becomes. Love that scent, that Taub's Sandalwood, fantastic scent. All right, there we go. I've got enough for a couple passes. I'll warm up my face. We'll get to the shave. Face is good and warm. The Everyday Shave, 1 to 2 days beard growth. That's what you got. If you're an everyday shaver, that's what you're gonna have. Here we go. Let's get our brush and our soap, or cream I should say. Start lathering up. Right side. The mustache is coming in pretty well. The mustache has always been a little bit lighter than my hair on my head, so it's not as pronounced, but it is coming in. Little figure 8. Set the brush down. Swipe the neck. Clear the runways so we can see the sideburns. All right, wet fingers and all, let's do it. Here's a look at the razor, the Merkur 23C, ready to rock and roll with the shave. I'll temper it under the cold water. All right, we're off. Comfortable, easy to grip, smooth shaving, very nice. One pass, nice and smooth. Let's rinse it. Left side. Comfortable and efficient. One pass complete. Quick rinse. Let's relather. Light coating for the second pass here. Really nice shaving cream. Lathers up easily, smells fantastic. Good cushioning for the razor. Reasonably priced. Swipe. Clear the runways. All right, across the grain. Backhand. Cleft. Rinse. Against the grain on the neck. Excellent. Very good. Let's rinse that off. Let's hit the cheeks real quick for the baby smooth effect on the cheeks. Just skim the skin. This gets you super smooth. Very good. Now a hot and then cold water rinse. Let's take our Shave Nation wide stick Allen block. Just glide that all around. Seal off the skin, tighten the skin, close the pores. Excellent finish to the shave. Let that soak in for about 30 seconds, then rinse it off. Pat the face dry. Leave it slightly damp. We'll finish up with Parasso Sandalwood Aftershave Balm. We had the top sandalwood shaving cream. We'll layer it up with the Parasso Sandalwood Balm. Nice combination. There we go. Not too much, just enough in the fingertips. Right into the skin. Excellent scent. Smells fantastic. All right, there we go. A couple of passes. 2.5 passes to be exact. A very smooth, baby smooth shave. Cheeks, chin, neck. Nice everyday shave. A final look, the Merkur 23C. Excellent shaving razor, great for everyday use, very efficient, easy to grip, knurling on the handle, feels good in the hand, long enough where you can spin it, drop it in your palm and spin it. Oh my God, I almost forgot Geofatboy's aggression rating on this razor. This razor, the 23C, I'm going to give it a 5. Not too mild, not too aggressive, great for everyday shaving, every other day as well. Really a nice shaving razor, very comfortable. One of the workhorses in the industry next to the 34C, right there. So if you want to pick up the 23C, any of these other items, just click down below the video where it says show more. You can grab them right there. Or go to shavenation.com, enter what you need in the search box. It'll pop right up. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share my 460 videos with your friends. Also, let me know what razor you'd like to see in an upcoming episode of Geofatboy's Everyday Shave. I'll try to keep these under 10 minutes too, so you can get through them pretty quick. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh, looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave. Have a great day.